In a world dominated by hustle and bustle, a quiet revolution is taking place. People from all walks of life are discovering the transformative power of yoga. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery, offering a path to greater health, happiness, and inner peace. From increased flexibility and reduced stress to a deeper sense of purpose, the benefits are as diverse as the people who practice it. Step onto the mat and discover the magic of yoga for yourself. Yoga's origins can be traced back over 5,000 years to the Indus-Sarasvati civilization in northern India. The word yoga itself comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. This union refers to the harmonious connection between the body, mind, and spirit that yoga aims to cultivate. Ancient yogis believed that by aligning the physical and mental aspects of themselves, they could achieve a state of liberation and enlightenment. They developed a system of postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques to achieve this balance. These practices have been passed down through generations, evolving and adapting to suit modern needs while retaining their core principles. Today, yoga is practiced worldwide by millions of people seeking its physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. While the ancient traditions remain a source of inspiration, modern yoga has become increasingly accessible and adaptable, with styles to suit all levels and abilities. The enduring appeal of yoga lies in its holistic approach to well-being. It recognizes the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and emotional states. By addressing all aspects of our being, yoga offers a path to overall health and happiness that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of yoga is its ability to improve flexibility and strength. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be already flexible to start practicing yoga. Yoga meets you where you are and gradually helps you increase your range of motion over time. Through regular practice of yoga postures or asanas, you'll begin to notice a newfound ease in your movements. Tight hamstrings will loosen, stiff shoulders will find relief, and your spine will gain greater mobility. This increased flexibility not only enhances your physical performance, but also reduces your risk of injuries in daily life. But yoga is not just about flexibility, it's also a fantastic way to build strength. Many yoga poses require you to support your own body weight, engaging muscles you didn't even know you had. Holding these poses strengthens your muscles, improves bone density, and enhances your overall body awareness. As you progress in your practice, you'll discover a deep inner strength that extends beyond the physical. Yoga teaches you to persevere through challenges, both on and off the mat. This newfound resilience empowers you to face life's obstacles with greater confidence and grace. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. The constant demands of work, relationships, and daily life can leave us feeling overwhelmed and anxious. Yoga offers a powerful antidote to stress, promoting a sense of calm and inner peace. At the heart of yoga's stress-relieving effects is the breath. Yoga teaches us to become more aware of our breath and use it as a tool to calm the nervous system. Deep, slow breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the body's relaxation response. As you focus on your breath during yoga practice, your mind begins to quiet down. The constant chatter of thoughts subsides, and you enter a state of present moment awareness. This ability to quiet the mind is invaluable in managing stress and improving overall well-being. Regular yoga practice has been shown to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone in the body. It also helps improve sleep quality, leaving you feeling more rested and rejuvenated. By calming the mind and relaxing the body, yoga equips you with the tools to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and resilience. Connecting to something bigger. For many, yoga is more than just a physical practice, it's a spiritual journey. While yoga is not a religion, it does offer a path to connect with something larger than yourself. This connection could be with a higher power, nature, or simply a deeper sense of your own inner wisdom. Yoga philosophy emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things. Through practices like meditation and mindfulness, yoga encourages you to become aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This heightened awareness allows you to cultivate a sense of compassion for yourself and others. As you deepen your yoga practice, you may begin to experience a sense of unity and oneness with the world around you. This feeling of interconnectedness can be profoundly transformative, leading to a greater sense of purpose and meaning in life. The spiritual aspect of yoga is a deeply personal journey. It's about exploring your own inner landscape and discovering what brings you a sense of peace, joy, and connection. Whether you find that connection through movement, breathwork, or meditation, yoga provides a framework for spiritual growth and self-discovery. Living a more balanced life. The benefits of yoga extend far beyond the mat, impacting all aspects of your daily life. Regular yoga practice can lead to improved sleep quality, healthier lifestyle choices, and a greater sense of overall well-being. As you become more attuned to your body's needs through yoga, you'll naturally start making healthier choices. You might find yourself craving nutritious foods, getting more restful sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Yoga also fosters a sense of community and belonging. Joining a yoga class can connect you with like-minded individuals who share your passion for well-being. This sense of community can provide support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. Moreover, yoga promotes inclusivity. It welcomes people of all ages, body types, and abilities. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or recovering from an injury, there's a yoga practice out there for you. This inclusivity makes yoga a truly accessible path to health and well-being for everyone. Your first step on the mat. Embarking on your yoga journey is easier than you might think. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, find a qualified teacher. Look for a yoga teacher who is experienced and knowledgeable, particularly if you're new to yoga or have any physical limitations. Next, start slowly and listen to your body. There's no need to push yourself too hard, especially when you're first starting out. Pay attention to your body's signals and rest when you need to. Then choose a style that resonates with you. With so many different styles of yoga available, experiment and find a style that suits your preferences and fitness level. Lastly, be patient and enjoy the journey. Yoga is a practice, not a performance. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey of self-discovery that yoga offers. Remember, consistency is key. Even practicing yoga for a few minutes each day can make a difference in your overall well-being. Real people, real transformations. The transformative power of yoga is best illustrated through the stories of those who have experienced it firsthand. Meet Sarah, a busy mother of two who struggled with anxiety and insomnia. After incorporating yoga into her weekly routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her sleep quality and a reduction in her stress levels. Yoga became her sanctuary, a place to find peace and reconnect with herself. Then there's John, a former athlete who turned to yoga after suffering a career-ending injury. Yoga helped him regain his strength, flexibility, and mobility, but more importantly, it taught him to find joy in movement again. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who have experienced life-changing transformations through yoga. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of this ancient practice to heal, empower, and inspire. Embracing the yoga lifestyle. Yoga is more than just a series of poses, it's a way of life. It's about cultivating awareness, compassion, and mindfulness in all aspects of your life. The principles of yoga extend beyond the mat, encouraging you to live with greater intention, purpose, and gratitude. It's about finding balance in all areas of your life, your physical health, your emotional well-being, your relationships, and your connection to the world around you. Embracing the yoga lifestyle is an ongoing journey of self-discovery. It's about making conscious choices that support your overall well-being and contribute to a more fulfilling life. As you deepen your yoga practice, you'll find that the lessons you learn on the mat naturally flow into your daily life, creating a ripple effect of positivity and transformation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the benefits of yoga. If you're ready to start your own yoga journey, why not begin today? You can discover a wide range of beginner-friendly yoga videos, tutorials, and resources for free on various YouTube channels and websites. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on yoga, wellness, and healthy living. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might be interested in yoga. We'd also love to hear your thoughts. What benefits have you experienced from yoga? Share your story in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single pose. Namaste.